So if your iPhone app is stuck on loading and like this, then here is the fix. The very first fix is just long press on that particular app and then just pause the download, and after 1 second again resume download. Okay, so just pausing and resuming the download works great. As many users have suggested, this fixes the issue. Now if this also does not work, then the next method is doing a force restart. So how to do a force restart? Just press the volume up button once, down button once, and then just press and hold the right side key. Okay, just keep it pressed, do not leave the key. Okay, the screen will shut down, and wait for the Apple iPhone logo to appear at the center of the screen. Now you can leave the right side screen and you have forcefully restarted your phone, and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Now if this also does not resolve the issue, then what we can do, we can manually update the app. So how to do this? Just go to setting. Okay, just go to settings and just go to general, tap on general, go to iPhone storage and locate that particular app which is stuck like this. Okay, let's say you have an app which is stuck like this. As let's say this is the app, just delete that app. Okay, and now manually download it again from App Store. Just download it again from the App Store. So this will get an updated version of the app on your iPhone. Okay, so this also fixes the issue. If this is also not working, let's move to the last fix, and that is resetting network settings. Just go to settings, and settings home page will open like this. Just go to general, tap on general, scroll down, find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it, tap on reset, and finally tap on reset network settings. Don't worry, it will not delete any data. It will only delete the Wi-Fi passwords which you have connected. You have to connect to the Wi-Fi with the passwords again, and that is the all thing which get lost in this process. Just reset network settings, and after that see whether your issue gets resolved. After connecting to Wi-Fi or cellular network, your issue gets resolved or not. So this is how you can fix this problem very easily. Thanks for watching. Please do like.